First day of physical therapy. You got it. What? Fuck. It's a big ass ant. Where the fuck that come from? First day of physical therapy. You gotta start the morning off right with some donuts. Chalky milk with the Shipley's donut.
If only I had a microwave to warm up my donut, but that's okay.
I got a glaze and strawberry, and then she got
The original glaze.
original glaze, like a loser. It's funny because I'm picking on the crippled.
I'm not crippled.
Well, you crippled there, right? You're there. Okay. This is the start. So we just got out of physical therapy, and it is a freaking slip disc, like I've been saying. The doctors didn't know what they were saying at the emergency. But we came to Jack in the Box because she's been wanting this chicken and tater melt for how long?
For years. I remember getting it when I was pregnant with Juliet, and that was in 2020.
Yeah, so we're here now. I'm gonna try to fix the AC right now. In normal Louis fashion, the manager is right over there. So we need to be quiet. That's the goal. But yeah, I'm gonna try to replace the clutch. I don't think it's the compressor, I think it's the clutch. So I gotta remove the serpentine belt. So I'm actually gonna take a couple pictures to remember how this diagram looked, because there's this one right here, but it's not. Slide the belt off and start removing this, so then I can put the new one on. Should be like an hour. There's always complication. It is 10:58 right now, so let's see how long this is gonna take me to go ahead and accomplish this. I didn't even tell you the reason why. On the way to Mexico, when we took the trip in the truck, the AC stopped blowing cold. It wasn't an issue because at that time high was like 70, so it was fine. What is going on is the clutch isn't engaging. So I bought a clutch AC kit. It's gonna go ahead and be on there. So there's two ways that I can go about it. It's either I can take the compressor off from the bracket right here and then try to manhandle it, move these hoses around and everything, make sure that they don't get taken off with the compressor, or do it while everything is still connected. I'm gonna try to go that route first because it seems a little bit easier, and then if not, I'll unmount it. Let's go ahead and start. Now my wrench is stuck because it's stuck on the pulley right there. My wrench got stuck on that pulley. That's fine. That's fine. I gotta remove this cap. Sorry if my hands get in the way. And there should be, I believe it's a 10 mil in there. So this is where I get to use my new tool. I went ahead and got a new tool set. So it's an air conditioning clutch removal kit. This should allow me to, I believe, honestly, I don't even know how the fuck to use this. Here, let me show you. I just figured this out right now. And I believe this one goes in this hole right here. It's not doing thing, but all right. There it is. So if anybody's ever doing this on a 93 2.8 V6 Chevy S10, the nut right here for the AC is a 9/16. All right. Dude, just my luck, none of these are gonna fit. That'd be fucking crazy. Damn, I don't think I'm gonna have enough. Yeah, look, I don't think I'm gonna have enough room to go ahead and get this in here. My next option is to remove this bolt right here and see what other bolt it is to go ahead and keep it all connected. Probably these two right here. Let's start doing that. I really did not want to have to do that, but this and this are connected. This is the one of the pulleys. So now that I have more room, now I can start finally disassembling this. Back to where we were is I have to find the groove that fits in here, and that's hopes I don't mess anything up. I don't know if you guys can see anything that I'm doing. This. Oh, at the same time. I'm gonna figure this out and then I'll come back to you guys when I figure it out. So, or when something else happens, because this is just pissing me off. God has a funny way of doing things, because I literally tried that little adapter. I tried it 3 times, and after I started using the crowbar and trying to pry it and everything, I was like, one of these has to work. So I tried it again, and lo and behold, it's working. Like, patience. I think it's so, I think it's hilarious that, you know, I'm over here freaking struggling, trying to pry it off and stripping it and everything, and then just try it one more time. Just one more time. This is a locking pin, so I need to save this. So this is a locking ring, and these are lock ring pliers, and I had to go get them for this job. Basically, these need to spread apart, and now I think I need more leverage, and it's not doing the thing. Let's see this one. I think this one opens up a little bit more. I switch out the heads. There we go. There it is. This. Now it's time to take this off. And apparently you need a puller for this. I'm gonna do the next best thing. Just try to pry it off. But I'm gonna try to put some penetrating liquid where the bearing sits, and start the prying in a little bit. Usually they advise you not to do this, but I got no other choice, so I don't know. We'll see. I think so. I think I'm gonna do that. able to take it off. This is an old one. This is an old one. So all I did was just keep prying. So I'm gonna go ahead and go inside real quick and get some brake clean, parts cleaner, take it off, clean it, and then install the new part. Okay, now is the install. So the way these work is this is a magnet. It's an electromagnet, and it pushes the pulley in to engage the AC. And there's a mark right here for the X for the top. So here it is. And these are just press fit on. So I need to find a socket or something that is gonna be big enough for me to insert it in here. Because the only other option I have is to put the bearing in and then hammer the bearing in gently. There's still like a lot of space right here, and there's a big gap right here in the back. So I think that's my best bet, is just to like softly hit it with a mallet. You were fine, now all of a sudden, okay. Okay, what is it? I got the old, I put the old bearing on, and then I got it stuck, and I lost my flash. But I got the lock ring on, and then now it's just to put the little locking pin in here and then put the clutch on. This has honestly been taking longer than I thought. It is 1:36. I was trying to rush. Now I'm just taking it little by little. So I got everything on. Cover this. Everything's on. Now it's time to put everything back together. 1:48 in the morning, and that's all of it. I don't know if in the process of me installing everything I damage anything. I'm just trying to put it all back together now, and then I hope it works. Who knows, it might not even work. As long as the truck is running, that's fine at this point. I tried, I did my best. That's all that matters. Took some time to myself, and yeah. But basically now is to put this back where it's supposed to go. All the braces that I removed. Should I clean that while I'm down here? I might. I just spray it real quick with some brake clean. No, that's not getting cleaner now. Okay, camera says that it's overheating, but connecting that. Time to see if everything works. Okay. Oops. Let's see if I didn't mess anything up. 'Cause now it's not going to stay on. My dumbass. I know what I forgot. killed somebody. I forgot to do the pulley. Wow. Okay, let me do that. Oh my goodness. I could have. Okay. Now it's time for the real test because I started it with with nothing connected. Like the timing belt was on, the accessory belt. So now. Let's see. I'll leave it closed, but let's see if the pulley's good. I need to go ahead and jump a wire, most likely to the alternator. Okay, let me figure that out and then I'll be right back. So what I saw, what happened was, it did, the AC compressor turned on with the clutch and everything engaged, but once I connected there's like another lead wire to the alternator. I don't know if that's a ground or if it's shorting, causing a closed circuit. So I'm gonna extend this wire. So it's that black wire right there. As you can see, it like splices out right there. It's just an open lead. So the plan of attack is I'm gonna go ahead and extend it and create like a open head, because I don't know if this is a ground or a positive, but it's connected to the green, which makes me think it's positive. So I'm going to either try to see if I can connect it to another positive somewhere. I don't know. I need to figure it out. I need to see if it's a ground or a positive. Either way, I'm gonna figure it out right now. Give me a second. Okay, so I figured it out. I have to have it to a constant positive, and I think that's what this wire is. So putting up to a positive, and then the pulley spinning, and it's positive, and it's not on or anything right now. But as soon as I put max AC, it's cold. I think that's what I need to do. So let me finish. I think I'm gonna tie it into the alternator, and then yeah, I think we should be golden. Okay, this should be the last and final time. So negative. No way my negative just broke. There's no way my negative just broke. Oh, this night is just amazing. I love it. Fix the negative. Now let's. All right. Like I said, hopefully this should be the last time, because I don't want to have to redo. Camera died at the most important time. Like no way to freaking tell. Okay. It's spinning, yes. Now let's turn on the AC. That's cold AC. I can sit in here. I can chill. Dude, I can chill in here, and it's cold AC. Oh, this will be my only vehicle with AC. And it's the oldest vehicle that I have. I just need to fix the clutch now on this one, and after that should be fine. It is 3:27 in the morning, and I believe I started this at what, 10:50, 11, 10:30. I don't remember. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully I'm able to make something out of this. I don't know when this video is gonna come out, but whenever it does, I hope you like and subscribe and go ahead and do all that YouTube stuff. But now I have AC for the summer, which is great. Woo! 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 Okay, let me turn this off and not cause more of a ruckus than I already have tonight. I fixed it, dude. I'm like so proud of myself. What if that wire was the only reason why it wasn't working for the old setup? I don't know, but I fixed it now, so I'm straight. All right, love you guys. See you later. Bye.